So question number 4. Question number 4. Commenced business with cash. In this, he started business with cash. It means cash has come. Cash of 1,50,000 will come. Cash of 1,50,000 will come. And here also capital 1,50,000 will come. And this will be 1,50,000. And your first entry is your over. Cash. Suppose started business with cash and goods. So cash will be here, goods will be here, and total here 1,50,000 assets we will write. Okay. If in any question, suppose we started business with cash and bank, so both the cash and goods, so both sides will be there. Now purchase machinery on credit 40,000. Second entry. B. Purchase machinery on credit 40,000. It means machine has come. Machine has come. Machine has come of 40,000 rupees. And on credit, nothing you have paid. It means your liability will increase by 40,000. One entry is your over. After that, again you have to write the whole equation. Whole equation means it will remain 1,50,000 will remain here, and 40,000 will remain here, and it will become 40,000 here. Asset is increased, so 1,90,000 it will become. And here liability 40,000 will come. This 1,50,000 will come. Some people show it as a plus sign also, and it will become 1,90,000. And here also please show it by plus also. Okay. So this your equation is, second equation is your complete. All asset is equal to, this is equal to your liability. Then the third is purchase goods for cash. C entry. Purchase goods for cash 20,000. So goods you have purchased 20,000, and for cash, so cash will be reduced. Minus entry, you put a bracket sign. Goods. And here nothing is changed. This side only. Asset, it will remain the same because cash and goods both are of the same side, so nothing will change. Here also nothing will change. What will be the net position? Net position will be 1,30,000 cash will remain. Here goods will come 20,000, 40,000 this will come here, and what will become? This will again become 1,09,000. It will remain the same 1,90,000, and here also it will remain the same. So again the same equation we will write, and it is 1,90,000. Okay. And this also is your C. So after this you will draw a line like this. So it is your C part. Then D. Purchased car for personal use. D. So purchased car, it means cash has gone out. Cash has gone out by 80,000 rupees. Cash is reduced. So in bracket it will, but here nothing will come in the business because it is a personal expense. So in the business, car will not come here. This asset will not be shown in business. It is in business, there is no increase in asset. What will happen? Your capital will reduce. Capital will also reduce by 80,000 rupees. So what will here? Here the position is minus 80,000. Okay, and here it will reduce. So final position after this, it will be 50,000. Here it will again be 20,000 will come here. Then 40,000 will come here. And here it will be now 1,10,000. 1,10,000 it will become. Here 40,000 will remain like this. Here it will be 70,000. Now net figure. Here. And it will be 1,10,000, and position is equal. So like this it is your personal use. Personal use, so no entry in the business, only cash is reduced. Then personal, then paid to creditors in full settlement. Paid to creditors, creditor means this creditors 40,000, you have paid 38,000. So 38,000 out of cash, so cash you reduce 38,000. And here further no changes will be there. So here only 38,000 will reduce. Your cash position will reduce by 38,000 cash is reduced. Here liability side also 40,000 will reduce because it is a full settlement, so it will reduce by 40,000. And here your capital 2,000 profit you are gaining, so 2,000 it will increase. Your capital profit by profit it will increase by 2,000. So what is after this position? After this your position is 12,000 is here plus 20,000 plus 40,000. So it will become 4, 7, 11. And here also it will come here. And what is the position here? It will become dash. It will become 72,000 and total is also 72,000. And your equation is balanced. Okay, like this it will go on. It is clear, no? 2,000 rupees profit you are gaining, so profit will come, liabilities will reduce by 40,000 and cash you will be out by 38,000. Okay, then paid rent, sold goods for cash 5,000 and it's 4,500 you have sold. 5,000 F you have sold for 4,500. So cash has come, but its price is 5,000. So 5,000 rupees will reduce here. It means 500 rupees you are losing. So your capital will reduce by 500 rupees. And the position is here 500 rupees will reduce. What is the net position? Net position will be 16,500. Here it will become 15,000. It is 40,000. And here it will become 71,500. And here nothing will come. Here it will be 71,500 and total is 71,500 and this is again equal. Okay. Then again one line we will put. We'll put a line like every transaction we will put a line like this. Whatever column required you can go on adding here. Then paid rent, commission received, like this paid rent. Suppose you have paid a rent of you have paid a rent of 1,000. So cash will reduce by 1,000. Cash will reduce by, and here what will happen when you will pay? It is an expenditure, so your profit, this capital will also decrease. So here paid rent, so it will become your 70. It will reduce by 1,000. 1,000 it will reduce, and it will become 70,500. 70,500. Here what happens? 1,000 is minus is here. So it will become 70,500 and this equation is again equal. Net position is 15,500. This 15,000 will be there. 40,000 will be there. So altogether it comes to this one. Another entry, last entry is there. Commission received in advance 2,000. So I will make one entry here. Okay. Here G or space is there. Here no space is there. So I will write it here G H. H. Again commission received. Commission received 2,000 rupees. You have received 2,000 rupees. You have received. Okay, and what will it is in the capital side? It will increase by 2,000 rupees, and asset also 2,000 rupees increase. So what will be the asset total? It was 70,500. Now it will become 72,500. Liability nothing was there. 70,500 will increase to 72,500 and 72,500 this side. Here what happens? Cash 15,500 plus 2,000, it will become 17,500. Bank nothing was there. Goods 15,000. Goods is 15,000. Okay. Then machinery 40,000 was balance. And altogether 5, 7, 8, 2, it is this one. So this one, like, so this your question is now it is over, and you can total assets total assets 72,500, and total liabilities total liabilities 72,500. So this question is now over. Now we will start with our journal. Accounting equation is over. You try making 2-3 practice and then you will try. Now journal. Journal means whatever the transaction is taking place, we will make 2 legs of it. One is debit side, and other is our credit side too. And in the journal we will note. So better question number 13. Here our usual columns are of the journal. Full columns are like this: date, particulars means details of the account, particulars, then ledger folio, okay, ledger folio, then ledger folio, and then amount debit, amount credit. But for space purpose, here space shortage is there. I will use only your short form, short place. Just to give you an idea. Here, Hema started business with cash. So what is happening here? Cash is coming, and accounting equation, you remember, cash comes and capital is created. So your first entry is started business with cash. Cash comes. Cash is one asset, and to increase an asset you have to make a debit entry. I have told you how to increase assets. So to increase cash account debit, cash account debit to capital account. This is 1 lakh. One is debit column, one is credit column. And here in short we will write the narration. Started business with cash. Started business in cash. So this, like this, you will draw a line. So it is one entry, one journal entry is of this type. Then open a bank account. So open a bank account means cash you will withdraw, and in the bank you will deposit the money. So bank is an asset, so bank account debit. In the bank you have deposited the money. So bank account debit 1,000 by 30,000. And cash goes out to cash account. Your 30,000. And in the narration we will write bank account opened. In the narration we will write bank account opened. Here one thing I will tell you. I have told you personal and impersonal accounts. So in that, if it is a personal account, you apply the debit the receiver and credit the giver. So here bank is the receiver, so bank is debit, and personal account for personal account, and for your real accounts, so whatever is, this is your personal account. And for real accounts like cash, machine, etc., real account, debit what goes out, what comes in, comes in credit. What goes out? What goes out? Goes out. Here your cash has gone out. That's why it has become credit. Cash account credit. And on the other hand, you remember cash is an asset and your cash is reduced. To reduce your cash, you have to make a credit entry on the basis of that also. And other is income and expenditure. Nominal accounts are there. Nominal income expenditure. Income and expenditure accounts are there. So debit the expenses, and credit the income. This thumb rule also you can remember, and based on this we will do further entries. Now third entry, purchase goods from Ashu 20,000. Third entry. So purchase goods from Ashu. So goods has come. Asset is your increase. So asset is increased. So purchase account debit or goods account. Purchase account debit you can write. Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. Goods has come of 20,000 rupees. And from Ashu it means cash you have not paid. Your liability has increased. So you credit the giver. So two Ashus. In the name we don't write account. For others we use the account word, but after any name, any firm's name, we don't use account. So two Ashus 20,000 rupees. This also you remember. Then the bought goods from Tara for cash 40,000. Purchase account debit again. Purchase account debit 40,000. Purchase account Ashus from Tara 40,000. But here it is not a credit purchase, it is a cash purchase. So your cash has gone out to cash account. Your cash is reduced, cash account. So it will be like, and narration you will write purchase for cash here. In the narration you have to write, everywhere you have to write a narration in short. So in this way you will write. Then another entry is there, sold goods to Rahul for cash 15,000. Sold goods to Rahul, but it is for cash. It means cash has come, so cash account debit. Cash account debit 15,000. And your to sales account 15,000. Or you can write goods account also. Instead of purchase and sale, you can write a goods account also. So in this way narration we will write and journal we will make. Now I will come to the next entries I am coming. Now another entry is there, sold goods to Suman. So Suman debit 20,000 rupees. To sales account 20,000. Okay. Suman debit, Suman is the receiver. Sales account, your goods has gone out. What goes out? Goods goes out. So sales account means your goods account. Now what happened after some time? Suman paid you 19,500 in full settlement and you have allowed discount 500 rupees. So cash has come. Cash account debit, your 19,500 has come and his account is settled. Means Suman's account now become credit. To Suman you have to make a credit of 20,000. But it is not matching. Debit is not equal to the credit. Debit should be always equal to your credit. But it is not coming. So what is happening? Discount you are allowing. It means discount now is your expenses. So discount account debit, it is an expenses. Debit the expenses. Income and expenses account, debit the income, expenses, these all are like this. So it will be like this and now entry is matching. So in this way you can make entries in journal, rest of the entries are also there. You make a practice based on this, debit the receiver, credit the giver. In every entry you try to find out whether personal account is, which accounts are involved. If personal account is involved, what is the rule? If real account is involved, what is the rule? If income and expenditure is there, what rule is there? And for accounting equation, before to that I told you, some rules how to increase assets and how to increase liabilities. So based on that also you can go on for further and make practice. In this way, journal portion I am making it over now. In the next video we will come with ledger and all that. Okay.